La Belle sank in 1686. It was underwater for over 300 years when it was found. The ship only sank in 12 feet of water, which allowed the excavation to take place almost like a land excavation.
So in addition to the hull itself, they found a large supply of weapons. They also found things that you would need to start a colony.
Right now I'm working on reassembling this particular firearms from LaSalle ship La Belle. This and several other pieces will be on display at the museum.
More artifacts were found on La Belle than at every other French colonial site combined. So the knowledge that we can gain from looking at those individual artifacts and piecing them together and telling the stories not only of the objects but of the people that used them is really exciting.